The problem this car is trying to solve isn't speed, range bragging rights, or design shock value. It's something quieter and more difficult. How do you make an electric sedan feel normal in a market that has made EVs feel either experimental or excessive? For many buyers, the barrier to going electric isn't technology anymore. It's trust. Trust that the car won't demand lifestyle changes, won't feel disposable in 5 years, and won't turn every drive into a negotiation with software. The Mazda 6e Electric is Mazda's response to that tension, and understanding it starts there. Mazda has never built its reputation on dominance through numbers. It's been built on restraint, balance, and an understanding of how cars fit into daily life. The 6e carries that philosophy into the electric era, where smoothness, predictability, and long-term confidence matter more than novelty. This is an EV designed for people who want to move on from internal combustion without feeling like they've signed up for a beta test. From the outside, especially in silver, the intent is clear. The design is clean, proportioned, and deliberately unflashy. Mazda avoids exaggerated EV styling cues, shaping the car like a familiar mid-size sedan refined by aerodynamics rather than dramatized by them. The silver finish highlights the surfaces instead of hiding them, reinforcing precision over spectacle. It doesn't announce itself as electric, it looks resolved. That same thinking carries into the interior. One of the quiet problems many EVs introduce is cognitive overload. Too many screens, too many modes, too much abstraction between driver and car. Mazda's solution is a cabin that remains driver-oriented. Technology is present, but arranged to support awareness rather than replace it. Screens are sized and positioned with restraint. Physical controls remain where muscle memory matters. Over time, that kind of usability ages far better than novelty. Electric power delivery follows the same logic. Rather than chasing aggressive acceleration curves, the 6e prioritizes smooth, predictable torque. The benefit isn't excitement, it's confidence. In everyday driving, merging, passing, navigating traffic, the car responds cleanly and consistently. For drivers transitioning from combustion engines, that familiarity makes the experience easier to trust and easier to live with. Range and charging are treated as enablers, not selling points. The 6e is positioned to handle daily commuting and regular travel without forcing constant planning. Fast charging exists to reduce friction, not to encourage edge case road trip heroics. Most owners won't measure satisfaction by extremes. They'll measure it by how rarely ride quality is where the car quietly addresses one of the EV segment's lingering issues. Many electric sedans feel heavy in motion, even when they're quick. Mazda's tuning emphasizes composure and natural body control, keeping the car settled without feeling isolated. Steering remains communicative enough to make driving feel intentional. This isn't about sportiness. It's about engagement at normal speeds, the kind that reduces fatigue over years of ownership. Technology in the 6e focuses on clarity and stability. Driver assistance systems are designed to assist, not intrude. The interface prioritizes consistency over constant reinvention, which signals something important. Mazda expects this system to age with the car, not be replaced every year. For long-term owners, that restraint builds confidence. Ownership confidence is where the 6e makes its strongest argument. Mazda's conservative approach to electrification, fewer experimental features, greater emphasis on durability, suggests a vehicle designed to last beyond its warranty cycle. Battery management, thermal control, and software stability are treated as foundations, not marketing hooks. That matters once the car stops being new and starts being normal. So who is the Mazda 6e Electric really for? It's for drivers who want an EV that feels like a car first and a technology product second. For people who value calm competence over spectacle, and who expect their vehicle to integrate into life rather than reorganize it. It's not for early adopters chasing novelty, or buyers who equate value with maximum performance metrics. In solving the problem of EV fatigue and trust, the Mazda 6e doesn't try to win loudly. It tries to win quietly, over time. And in today's electric market, that may be the most forward-thinking solution of all. If you value thoughtful, real-world car analysis like this, consider subscribing to the channel.